Hello everybody, welcome to Acorn and Oak and this week's ATC Thursday video. Today we're going to be doing a Halloween themed ATC. Now you may know or you may not know that ATCs measure 2.5 by 3.5. I'll link my ATC 10 video below and obviously all the previous ATC tutorials. I'm going to be using this little sticker. It's got a little, it's a cardboard sticker and it's a little child in a mummy costume. And I've got this black and white spider ribbon, and I've got this black and white trick or treat paper. So this is kind of going to be a monochromatic ATC, I think. So as always, we're going to use the art glitter glue to attach the paper. This is a really good way to show people, you know, what type of crafter you are, what you enjoy doing. You know, also a really nifty way to use up all your bits and pieces, which is one of the reasons why I wanted to do this series, as well as the fact that I really want to be doing some ATC swaps when I'm able to do so, hopefully in 2022. So if that's something you would like to take part in, please head over to my group on Facebook. That's Acorn and Oak on Facebook. And with these I'm just going to simply cut the ends off. I'm not going to worry about rounding them off, but you can. And if you've been watching me any length of time, you know sometimes I go around the edge with a sandpaper or a nail file, but I'm not going to do that. Okay, I'm going to go around the edge with some black ink. Where is my pad for my black ink? There it is. So it's going to be a very monochromatic ATC. Okay, I want the ribbon to go up, him in the corner, but I want it to go across. But one thing I do think I want is I've just cut the ribbon and I'm going to tie this in a knot because I think I would like a knot, because I don't really want a bow. That kind of thing. Okay, so I'm going to put some hot glue from top to bottom, and that is what I will submerge the ribbon into. And that can go around the back as well and be all neat and tidy, and then I will cover that with some paper probably. Glue strings are a pain in the bottom. Right, I know that the glue strings can work as spider webs in this particular craft, but yeah, I think I like that. And then we're going to have him, but I think I just want to go around the edge of this with the black as well. Not so stark. And I think I want to raise it slightly, so I'm going to use some foam tape. And I'm just going to stack the foam tape on top of itself, just to give myself the dimension I want. Obviously if you've got thicker foam tape you won't have to do that. Make sure my cutter beads don't get sticky. Okay. Okay, I'm going to stick in just there. Okay, do I want to add anything else? Let's have a look at my charms and things. Do I want to add a spider to the top corner? Yes, I think I do. Right, I'm going to put some glue on the back of my spider. I'm going to put him just at the top there. And then we're going to call this ATC Done, Crafters. So there we go, here's the third ATC in my series. We have one more for this month, but then as I say, I'm going to be doing these every week between now and the end of the year. So here's this week's. Thank you very much for joining me, and you'll see me again very soon. Take care now.